For income to be taxable, it must be realized by the taxpayer. In the case of Pillar versus Commissioner, the United States Tax Court considered whether bagging a bargain is a realization event triggering taxation. Samuel Briskin was a well-known entrepreneur and businessman in Chicago, Illinois. In the late 1940s, Briskin's daughter, Rosalie Pellar, and her husband, Fred, decided to build a home in downtown Chicago. Briskin connected the Pellars with Ragnar Benson. Benson's engineering and architectural firm designed a house for the Pellars, and Benson agreed to construct the home for $40,000. Although Benson knew this figure was low, he was willing to take a loss on the project because of his extensive business connections with Briskin. Unfortunately, the home's construction hit several speed bumps, including increased labor and material costs, engineering errors, faulty installations, and design changes. In total, Benson's cost of construction was over $100,000. The Pellars paid Benson $40,000 and spent another $15,000 on additional upgrades, making their total cost about $55,000. Despite the substantial loss incurred, Benson didn't request additional payment from the Pellars. Although there was no agreement or understanding between the parties, Benson wished to retain Briskin's goodwill in the hope that he would consider Benson's firm for future contracts. The completed home's fair market value was about $70,000. Upon review of the Pellars' 1949 income tax return, the Commissioner of Internal Revenue assessed a deficiency. The Commissioner determined that the Pellars should have reported, as income, the difference between the price they paid for the home and its fair market value. The Pellars petitioned the United States Tax Court for a redetermination.